Here it is in the form m dx plus n dy equal to 0, where m is equal to 1 plus e power x by y, that is this term, and n is equal to e power x by y into 1 minus x by y, that is this term. And here dou m by dou y is equal to dou n by dou x. That is, the given differential equation is exact differential equation. So the solution is integral m dx plus integral y alone terms of n and constant dy is equal to c. Okay, so first let us find integral m dx, that is integral m means 1 plus e power x by y dx. So here integral m dx means integrating m with respect to x, considering y as a constant. So here we treat y as a constant. Okay. So here this is integral 1 dx plus integral e power x by y dx. Integral 1 dx is x plus. See, this is in the form again e power f of x comma y. Okay, so the derivative of, sorry, it is not derivative, the integral of e power f of x comma y dx is e power f of x comma y divided by the derivative of f of x comma y. So that is, it is in the form e power some function. So whenever you have e power some function, to integrate this, we use this formula. Okay, so using this, so what is this formula? E power f of x comma y. Here f of x comma y is x by y. So f of x comma y is x by y. So that e power x by divided by dou x of f of x comma y, that is x by. So that is x plus e power x by y divided by, so you are differentiating with respect to x, y is a constant, so that's what that 1 by y comes as it is, and derivative of x becomes 1. So finally we have integral m dx as x plus y into e power x by y. This is the value of integral m dx. Okay, so next we find integral y alone terms of n and constant into dy. Okay, so first let us identify y alone terms of n. That is, we need the terms which does not contain x from n. Okay, see, this is our n. Okay, in this function we need the terms which does not contain x. See here, we don't have a term which does not contain x. So every term is along with x. So here the first term e power x by y where we have x. And next term x by y where again we have x. So that is in this n there is no y alone term. There is no y alone term and also a constant. So that's what integral n that is integral y alone terms becomes 0. So here there is no y alone term. So that means 0. That is y alone terms of n are not there. So that's what this second integral becomes 0. Therefore, the general solution is equal to integral m dx, that is x plus y e power x by y, plus integral y alone terms of n dy is 0 is equal to c. So therefore, final solution is x plus y e power x by y is equal to c. This is the solution of our given differential equation.